Hello students, I hope you have seen the video which we have streamed last time. It was about a poem, A House, a Home. In this video, in this session, today we are going to discuss the views of the poetess and her thinking about the two ideas which she has discussed, a house, a home. So let's begin it. Here, in the poem, the poetess has compared two ideas with each other. She has compared a house with a home and told that a house is just a construction of bricks, stones, wood, and glass, which does not have feelings, but the people who live in the house have feelings about each other. The people who live there are our parents and siblings. They are father, mother, brother, and sister. Poetess says they all have love towards each other. They care for each other, and these actions make a house home. In the poem, the poetess focuses the behavior of family members, so we can understand some points from the poem. The first one is charity begins at home. Charity. What is charity? Let's see the video and let's understand what the charity means at our home. I hope you liked the video and understood the point. What does a charity mean? So charity means You practice unselfish acts. It means you share your things with someone with unselfish mind. The family where we live in teaches us such good thoughts. There you share your ideas, thoughts, feelings with your family members. You spend some time with them. So, what does a family require then? You love your parents and siblings. You behave unselfish with them at home. This helps us to be in the strong bond of relations. Now, students, see yourself. You people are sitting at your home, and your parents too are there at your home due to COVID 19. So, you are spending your time with them, and they too are enjoying your company. They are playing with you, they are taking care of you, and here they are showing love towards you by spending the valuable time with you. So, here they offer their love and time to you and doing unselfish acts, and this shows the charity is there at your home. Second point is there is no place like a home. We are lucky enough to have a home. Yes, it's true. You can see around what is happening in the world, in our country, even in our state and city. The people who are away from their home for the reasons like they are taking the education outside or working somewhere else, they all are trying to go back to their homes as there is no place like home, because the people who love them and care for them are at their homes. So, home is the only place where they feel safe. Have you seen old age homes? The old people who do not have a loving and caring family live there. They get all the facilities, but they don't have their family members there. So that building where they live in is just a house for them. It can't be called a home. They make friends there in the old age homes. Learn to spend time with them, those who are present there. They gossip there, share experiences there, but somewhere they miss their family members and the home they belong to. So, home is a place full of love, unselfish acts, caring people, and happiness, and there is no place like home. So, I hope that you have understood how the home is important for all of us, and there is no any place like home outside, and it is not just a construction, it is a strong relationship between the family members. I hope that you have understood it. So, here we stop. Thank you.